hello guys. So, happy Saturday. By the way, we are here at Daddy Gilsar's office. Kay mag-decorate on dami. Pero more na among dala. There. And then, tagaan po tamog tour. Gamay sa office niya. So, mo din niya yung office guys. And then, ato sang isarado kay Saba kay's baby. So, wala pa na tao diyahang whiteboard. And then, Monday na siya. And we are conducting 2 interviews right now. Pero they're on the phone. I think they're fired already. Wala pa sila. Wala pa sila. Wala pa na hired. Na-fired na. So anyway, nasa this. And then, yes, moro na mong gidala sa kuan from the house kay ni mo siya bring something pwedeng yang mabutang diri sa office. And then he choose this, and then that's our wedding photo. And I got this buffalo because I remember in Manhattan there's a buffalo one, and I was in love when I saw this at NCC Mall. And yeah, I already grabbed it. So, yeah. So, this one's supposed to be in my office, in the house. Pero, ganahan man siya. So, I give it to him. And, by the way, this is our picture during our 18th anniversary. So, 18 years anniversary. We did the cruise in Manhattan, New York. So, yeah, that's the time. And, I'll show you the view here. He has a beautiful view. Look. Ta-da! Good morning, world. Diba? So guys, look at her. Little princess. Little princess, where are you? Huh? Oh, where are you, Nak? Huh? Wow. So cute. So guys, since naman ko diri sa office, ako na lang po okay. Ako na lang pong kanang sa tawagan ni i-inform diri sa ninyo, i-inform na turnkey processing, that's where the company that were Daddy Gilsar is he is like kinda head manager here. So they are looking for a few talents. I will share the page na lang nila here. So, if you are looking for a stable job, you can apply through their page. So, kanilang akong i-share nga page. Make sure kanilang pud nga page kay para dili mo ma-scam. So, yeah. So, they're looking for a few talents if you guys are looking for a stable job. And if you think you have you're a good fit for the roles that they're looking for. So, yun. And, yeah. And, yun lang.